It's hard to believe if I stand outside of my front door, this is the view. This is amazing. Reggie, who every day cannot believe that this is our life now. If you would have told me a year ago, 2 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago that I would have quit my job as a lawyer and eventually became a farmer, I would have laughed in your face. And yet, this is what we're doing. And it's honestly so amazing and so peaceful. We just moved these girls to their last paddock in the front pasture, so they're on fresh grass right now. And they're loving it. It's green up here where they're eating. Because this was an overgrown property, they've essentially got all kinds of winter stockpile. I'd like to thank Greg Judy for sending me an email back when I asked him what to do about this overgrown pasture and how to manage this without ever having cattle before. And he so graciously responded to my message and told me just to put the animals out there. Give them a molasses tub, but let them eat it all down. And so that's what we've been doing. And we got these girls here. Just wanted y'all to come take a look at them since they're in the front. This will be the last few days of them being right outside of our front door and front window. We're going to rotate them behind this cattle stall into the side pasture, so we will not see them out of our window anymore for a while until we move them out back. So this has been so amazing just to watch these ladies. Speaking of ladies, this lady here is getting ready to deliver. I'm starting to see just some small changes in her pelvis, which indicates that she might be getting pretty close. Her bags look pretty good. Just look at these girls chewing down the grass. They're so close you can almost touch them. Look at that. There's the sunsets. I could stand out here and watch them all day. Sometimes we do stand out here and watch them for a long time. We just talk to them, just watch them do cow stuff. It's like when we watch our chickens.